Okay, this is a demonstration on pocket option of the 12 simple moving average and the 18 simple moving average. As you might know, they will close in pretty close together in front of the trend change, but will indicate the direction or the possible direction of the new trend. All right, so here's one that already crossed over and it's pulling back. And we might buy up a little bit of this on the up here. Okay, we're buying $10 buys. We are on a demo account. And we can see that we had a pretty good push here, but also it was struggling back and forth. And then after that struggle, we're trying to buy right here on a green candle. 1 minute candles and 1 minute expiry. Okay, we're going to leave that be on its own. We're going to look around here for some other opportunities. These crossovers look fairly good. All right, that's real interesting as well. But we like to buy a little bit closer to the line here, so we might come back and do that. All right, we did have a very nice crossover here. We had some fight back here, and then we had a push through, and we won all of those trades, $10 each. And there were several of those. We didn't buy too much because we were a little bit late. Okay, we might try to buy this one here. A little bit shaky on some of these crossovers, but sometimes we'll jump in a little bit if we see what we like. So yeah, we had some movement in the right direction here. That one was nice. This one could have worked. Okay, and we got this trending down pretty strong. So we don't know if it's going to come back in our direction or not yet. But sometimes this does indicate a good reversal when we get a moving average crossover touch. So you can see that there's some resistance there. So we may take a little chance with that one. That one would have been a really nice one, but we're going to leave that be for now. Okay, we're waiting for this to settle down. Could probably take this on the red candle, so I think we will. We're on Twitter OTC pocket option. $10 buys. It's pushing against us a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and buy it then on the pullback, because we have a pretty strong trend here. Okay, we bought 15 $10 buys. The payout would be $283.50 if it keeps moving that way. Okay, we're checking some other ones. We kind of like what this is doing here. Even though it hasn't crossed yet, we do see some resistance, and we see some trend change already. And we might buy up a little bit early right there. Okay, we'll come right back to that. All right, this is the Twitter OTC, and we are winning those trades. All right, we're going to leave that be. Okay, here's a good push through. We might buy on the crossover or on the pushback. We did buy up early there. We got a little bit lucky. We saw a really smooth cycle here, and part of that, it's 11:37 Central Standard Time PM, so the markets are coming alive in Europe pretty soon. All right, we like what we got there. We might buy on the pullback as well. Here's the pushback. We're still going to buy going down on the green candle. And it looks like we won a lot of those prior trades. Okay, we're getting a big pushback here, but we see a level that we think is going to hold. Doesn't always hold, but it's almost like a spring here. where it already crossed, it pushed back, and then we like our chances of a continuation of this 12 simple moving average against the 18. Okay, we're still getting some fight back there. So we may lose some of these. We might still go ahead and buy. Going down. Because we might get a big push soon. Okay, 1 minute candles, 1 minute expiry. Fighting back and forth here, the buyers and sellers. Okay, I went ahead and bought up on the down here. Since we're kind of going back and forth, red, green, red. Did have a crossover. It could always push against us. But we could have a chance for a good opportunity on a win here if this continues to push through. Alright, you can see some good things happening in our favor. We try not to overbuy if possible, because we need a reserve if things don't go our way. If things go against us. But so far, pretty good. We did have a few losses, most likely. We have 31 buys in, or sells, I should say. And we did win a lot of those, and we're going to stop there. We only had a 69% payout, so we could have had bigger wins there. But we did have good entry points. And so that's a really unique strategy that seems to be working on demo. And of course, the markets are alive right now. It's past 11:30 Central Standard Time in the United States. And so that means the European markets for Friday morning in July of 2023 are starting to come alive. All right, we're going to call it quits for now. And we're going to take our gains and we're going to sleep on that. All right, that's it for now. You can see the wins here on demonstration mode. Lots of wins, probably had some losses as well. Buying in at multiple entry points. We had 3 losses right there, which is not bad considering. And then we had some losses back earlier and also more gains. All right, that's it for now. And y'all have a great one. And we'll see you later on YouTube.